Hello, my name is Erik and welcome to our continued conversation on executive function for students. This video, we're going to look at a maintenance routine, which is one that can be done on like a weekly basis. And it's one I do with students all the time, and it's something that's very important that is done. And it goes with weekly filing. Now, this kind of has shifted a little bit because a lot of school stuff is going online, so there's not as much physical papers as it used to be maybe even like 10 years ago. But it's still important to do. So this maintenance routine is a filing routine. So once a week, you look at your folders, you look at your backpack, and you file any papers that are not needed in school daily. These could be old tests, these could be old projects, old notes, or whatever. If you need notes and stuff in school, then keep them organized in your folder as we discussed in a couple videos ago. But if you're just carrying around dead weight, I would have a file system at home, and then once a week you file it in there. Do not throw away any paperwork or any files for that particular semester or quarter until that whole quarter or semester is completely done and the grades are in. Then you can discard everything. Because you never know, sometimes teachers lose stuff, sometimes things get deleted. You get the picture. It's always good to keep track of this stuff. But you don't need to be carrying it. I can't tell you how many students I've had where their backpacks look like they're walking from here across the world. They shouldn't be carrying that much stuff. They need a system, a routine that actually monitors this stuff and makes it easy so they can be at their best. And then if something does happen, and let's say a test wasn't recorded correctly or there was a system crash in a computer, Erik, I don't have your test on so-and-so and so forth. No problem. I go home, I go to my file cabinet, I find it, I pick it up, I show it to the teacher, everything's handled. So this is another maintenance routine that is highly important. And also too, with this filing once a week, this is also a time where you would clean your office, clean your station, your workstation. That way it's always at its best so you can perform your best as well too. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you next time, and remember, enjoy the process.